Not quite there yet. So let's go more like.
Teacher.
Okay, so again, if we're thinking cut time, our half notes get to be 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so let's try it from the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Where should we release that note in, the long time? What count should we release it on? Well, there's no 3.
I'd say 1.
That's a good guess, especially based on our arches, right? But we're actually going to release on 2.
Okay.
So we're going to go da 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, off da 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 da, off da 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 da. Okay. Are you good?
Yeah.
All right.
She was reminding me.
Let's play. Here we go. Beginning. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. You're not thinking 2 beats per measure. You're still thinking 4, which is fine if you are, but this is our tempo, and you've got to be thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count 8th notes. Can you do that?
That's a 16th note.
Yeah, then, well, they are in cut time, right? Your 8th notes are
Oh,
a quarter of a beat in cut time. So,
I'm not thinking.
Let's start that. Pickups to measure, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pickups to measure 6. So we're going to breathe on count 2, right? Pick up, rest, and we're going to play da 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 da. You with me on that?
How fast are we going right now?
Are they still
85. Okay? Here we go. Let's try it. Pickups to measure 6. 1, everyone. 1, 2, ready, and da 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 da. Listen, it's gonna be da 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 da. Try that with me. Breathe and then say da 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 da.
Wait, no,
Da
no,
da
no,
da. What?
it only goes once. It's
Look at
and
the
you hold it for a while.
Right.
Look at this.
Here we go. Say it with me. Ready? 1, 2, say it. Go.
Da 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 da.
Do you hear how we can't possibly play it together? Because we can't even breathe and say it together. Here we go. Ready, and
Da 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 da.
So breathe on that count too. Da 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 da. Okay, do it again. Ready, and
Da 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 da.
There. Now play it. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, play it. Go. That's it. Now, it's better lined up. Now, when do we place that? Right after count 2. Right? So we're going to hold the half note through count 1, breathe on count 2, da 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 da. Let's try it. Beginning. Here we go. Right from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, and. We're going this fast, right? Then when we get to 12, da 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 do da do da 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 1 and 2 and da 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 da. Right? So let's go that tempo because it's gonna be better for us later. All right? Here we go. Measure 12. Everyone, going slow for now because 20 is on the horizon. Here we go. 1, 2. Measure 12. Everyone. Nope, that's not a good spot. 3 before 20. Here we go.
Yippee.
Measure 17. Everyone. Ready? Got it? 1 and 2, 17, and go. I was sorry, that was my fault. 18 is what 18 was the better call. That was just, I looked at it wrong because my brain's not working. Here we go, 18, everyone. It's just for your 2 measure phrase thing. I think that helped. Here we go, 18. 1 and 2 and up, go. Do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 18, and go. How do you agree on measure 30, on how long your quarter note should be? Because some people went dit, da, and some people went da, da. How do you decide?
It sounds more dramatic if you make it shorter, therefore make it shorter.
No.
Okay, so Michael rationalizes this,
I
It
rationalize
depends on the
my notes.
music.
right? It does depend on the music, so in this case, how do we know how long the quarter
I was in my phone. They went.
Okay, alright. What if we play what's on the page, but also listen to each other and match?
Maybe.
Would it work? Let's try. Here we go, start at 28, right on it, no pickups. Ready? 28, when we get to 30, listen to each other, see if you can line it up. 1, 2, 28, and go.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
just gonna
it
say
works,
it's fine.
so now you know, right? Just listen to each other. If there's no like dot over the note, then you know, you gotta play it short. Or a line, what does that mean? If a line over a single note, not legato,
It's called a tenuto.
it's called a tenuto. What does a line over a note mean? The tenuto mark, what's that? No, I mean it can, but in this case, it would mean play the note full value. Hold it full value, don't play it short. The opposite of staccato, right? What was the other question I had for you? I don't remember. Let's start at 28 again, we're going on. Hey, what's at 31? Forte piano.
Forte
So what do we do?
We get loud and then
Start
soft.
loud. Start loud is really just your accent. Accent, it gets soft. Dum. Almost to the point of disappear. Okay? So accent the note, but then immediately get soft. Here we go, from 28. Ready? Do your forte piano when we get there. 1 and 2 and ready and go. No,
Woman.
that won't work. No one got soft. No one got soft. Well, I got soft. Well, it doesn't work if one person gets soft. Start at 30. So we'll just go da, da, da. And it has to get super soft. As soft as you can play. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, just like you're doing in warm up with Mr. Margaret. 30. 1 and 2, measure 30 and listen. Okay? You still have to count getting soft and crescendo.
Woman.
Do it one more time, and it'll be better this time. I don't know what a forte
Forte
piano
piano
is.
here.
Oh, it was just a miswrite. That's what Mr. Margrave.
Oh, yeah, I see how you interpret. Otherwise, I was gonna say it's this composer being funny on a forte piano. But
Yeah, no.
no, it's the forte should have been at the end of the crescendo, huh?
Yeah.
And then start until forte is loud. Okay, 28 again, not 28, sorry, 30. Everyone, 30, 1, 2, cut time and listen.
34.
140, yeah, measure 39. Right on it, no picture. Got it, Saxes?
Yes.
Okay, so, this is gonna be hard. You have a rest on one, first clarinet plays on one, so we're gonna get but they're gonna play on one, okay? Is it both of you? Okay, here we go, ready? 1, 2, 39, and go. It's supposed to line up. Or
Woman.
okay, try it. 1, 2, 39, again. Do you hear how it doesn't totally line up? It's very, very close. Can you hear each other? It's not totally lined up yet. It's close, but not there. I think this slur is throwing you off. Ta 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 ta.
I hate.
Ta 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 ta. Right? Is that slur in there? Okay, try it again. And maybe yes too. Is it two slurs? Yeah. Ta 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 ta.
No.
Ta 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 ta. Right? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 39, again. It's not there yet. Keep going. We'll get it. Ready and go. You guys, you have that thing that we worked on at in measure just you? Just you. Got it. 39. Okay? So you have the same entrance as the saxes, but then you hold count 2, right? So you're gonna go da 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 da, right? Just like that. Measure 5. Okay, here we go. Ready? All saxes, all the clarinets. 1, 2, and are ready, and 39. Now we got it lined up. Add the flute and oboe. We're gonna start a measure earlier, 38. Okay, I'll just got that. You can leave out 38 for the moment if you need to. Okay? But don't miss the 38. We're starting at 38. Yep. Got it? So it's da 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 da. Just ignore your tie and play the half note. Yeah? Make sense? Okay? Try that. Make sense? Alright, here we go. 38, go! Earlier saxes.
I'm sorry.
We're starting at 38. Do da 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 da.
I started there.
I know. You with us now?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Leave out 38 if you need to, because it's the second measure of a 2 measure.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. 38, ready? 1, 2, and are ready, and go.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. 38 again, ready? 1, 2, 38, and go. 1, 2, da 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 da. That's it. Okay, stop. Yeah, that's it. Does that make sense? Okay, here we go again. 38. No more guys yet. 1, 2, 38, and go.
Ma'am.
Put it all together. Here we go, 38 again. 1, 2, 38, again. You're still like trying to come in early, saxes. Just play it. It's the same idea as that pickup into measure 5. Da 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 da. It's just on count 1 instead of on count 2. Da 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 da. Okay? Does it make sense? It's
Yes.
just not lining up, so I want to make sure you understand it first. All right, let's try to add everyone. We're at 38. Time measure 38. 6, 7, yep, 38. Got it? Okay, so with us, 38. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, everyone, 38.
It does.
No, it's rhythm looks similar, yeah?
Yeah.
It's familiar to what we worked on at 5. It's just a release point. So if we're to start at 42, and again, ignore any ties. Okay, so flute and second clarinet, ignore your tie. We start right on 42, then we get da, 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 da. Right, there's your rhythm. Everyone's got different notes. Okay? Try it. Everyone, 42. Ignore any ties, play right on the half note. Or, what do you guys have? Not a half note, whatever you've got. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, everyone, 42. Give me your flutes. We're just gonna have to break it in because you can hear it on the notes. Point to it for me, where are we at? Everyone, 1, 2, 42, cut, time.
Are you playing
We
bottom
might
note?
need to be thinking in 4/4 to help you out when we get to 45. I don't know if we can do that.
Good. I was going to say something everyone says in my school. But then I stopped myself. Good kid.
Nope, we're just gonna go for it. 45. Everyone got it?
Yeah.
Got the
43.
timer?
I don't even know
Oh, I got it.
how to remotely.
Okay,
We
good.
are
Everyone
smart
got the timer?
guys.
Yes, great. Let me hear. Flutes, oboe, and heck, that's it. You guys have the complicated rhythm.
Back row. Plus C.
All saxophones
Okay.
assume.
Back row plus
Back.
Back row plus.
Come here,
Back row
Donovan.
company.
All right,
You
here we
want
go.
to bite?
Yeah, I agree. They might bite.
Altos won't.
All right.
We're
Yeah,
nice.
you
Sit
will.
by the altos, so. All right, here we
We're
go.
just loud.
The pseudo back row. 1, we're at 45. 1 and 45. Ready, go. Again, you two especially, don't get freaked out by his quarter notes that are shorter. He's playing dot, dot, what do you play? Dot,
It's always me who plays the
dot.
high.
Make them long, half notes, okay? He's
Mine
got
are quarters.
at 45?
Yeah. I'm 10 on line 2.
You are?
Yeah, it's second trombone, first bass.
Oh, okay. That's weird. Okay, I understand.
No.
Why.
There's this thing called a tuner.
I've never heard of the joke
So, here's the issue.
You gotta send me that.
You two are playing the short part. You two are playing the long
Full
part.
circle.
What's up, King?
So, with them, they're also playing the long half part. So don't get like freaked out and go, oh, I should shorten up my notes because you're used to listening to matching like I asked you to do earlier, right? Don't do that.
High five.
Okay, play your part. Okay, do it one more time. Pseudo back row. Here we go. 1, 2, 45, go. You got the idea? Okay, everyone. Let's try 45 and then we'll back up again. 45, everyone. Here we go. Good luck, clarinets. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 45, everyone. Everyone make it to 48 without losing any fingers. Okay, great. Try to get a little faster because we slowed down. So remember, da 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 da. 1 and 2 and 1. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, everyone. 45. Slow down. Let's back up to, was gonna say 37, but let's go 35. Everyone, 35. Here we go.
Are you ready?
Now you see why I wanted to go a little slow, right? Here we go, 35. just
There.
make sure we've got it so that
Brass instruments.
Mr. Marguerite goes, oh yeah, Woodwinds can play this. Okay, here we go, 43. 43. I see it, you just can't see it. All right, here we go. I'm on 43. One,
They're stick-ons.
playing, one, and two, and time, go. Real quick, we gotta fix, 49. Front row minus basic equipment. 49.
Just don't mess with it.
It's gonna feel a little bit like a triplet. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Can you say that with me? Ready, and go. Da, 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 da. Okay, play that. 49. There's your rhythm. Okay? Flutes, clarinets, altos. Sorry, I said front row. Darn it. Flutes, oboe, clarinets, altos.
Yay!
49. Da, 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 da. Go. It's like a little jazzy syncopated in cut time. Okay? Everyone, let's go 48 for the melody, folks. 48. Take your repeat. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
See it? Everyone's got to repeat.
I got it.
48. Go back to 48. Do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 48. Everyone.
I became a French horn. Jazz.
Because we
Jazz.
weren't at 54 and you were still holding long notes. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's okay. I just assumed that it was a roadmap.
Hi, guys.
Okay, so guys,
Real.
we go 48, 49, 50. So, flute, oboe, clarinet, altos. Second ending, we've got half note, da da da, 54. Da 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 da. Short. Right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Second ending, everyone. Everyone. 1, 2, second ending, and go. Does that make sense? That was 58?
Yeah.
All right. Let me hear just the, I think just the bass line. Is the bassoon part here at 54, just the quarter note and then a bunch of rest?
Yep.
Okay, I could have sworn I heard you playing more than rest. Okay, let me hear just the bass line 54. So bass clarinet and bass house. Here we go. 54. Ready? Ready and go. Go. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. All right, good. Everyone 54. Let's take the repeat and then the melodies and the trumpets. That's why it sounds.
Yippee.
At 58, there was something else. Everyone at 54, one repeat. Here we go. Ready? Right on it. 1, 2, 54, and go.
What is this?
So, guys, stop this. Altos, you've got
What's happening? No, let's hear the Flobos play concert F. Ready, one. And
Flobos.
Ready, and go. And. Nice. And how about the altos and just the altos? Two.
Yippee.
Ready, and go. Altos, that's a D for you. What? And by the way, Matthew too, and also tenor. When you're playing a D, what's the problem with D's?
They're out of tune.
How so?
I think they're flat. Sharp.
These are always sharp. So what you have to do is lift those notes down, right?
Ugh.
Every time you play it. And it's kind of like in general, the more fingers you have on sax, the sharper it gets. And then the fewer fingers you have,
The flatter.
it gets. So one of the worst things on alto to do is D and then C sharp and then D. Because it's sharp and then flat, and so you have to adjust. Right?
This
Okay,
is how
what's your
I
low
do it.
reeds? Are you ready?
Keep Marie
Go.
the
Low reeds and tones, ready?
Say your signature.
Concert F, right? Your G. Oh, hey, that was you.
Fine.
Yes, one, two,
All you need to say,
go,
for those who are watching, I have a crush on you.
Hey, do you know what the band director's favorite pet is?
Me.
The
Trumpet.
trumpet. Why?
Want me? Jasmine?
Those teeth for a nice big tone, right?
What's up,
okay,
gang?
last one, all these clarinets and go. One, and ready, and go. Nice, okay, guys. We're way more in tune now than we were at the beginning of the season. That's fantastic. So let's start with Beethoven.
I don't like this song.
Hey, guys, I'm going to ask you right now, rather than just yelling out loud, Marcus, to raise your hand if you have something awful to say. Okay? I had a meme about that today. I put it up on the board in my symphonic band this morning. And it's about a zombie. And it says, it's got like a dude being chased by other zombies. And it says, bad attitudes are a lot like zombies. If they're not eliminated early, they tend to multiply and infect your brain. Marcus, is this a positive, helpful comment? Or are you about to go?
I don't like it.
Okay, let's move on, guys. Beethoven's Fifth.
I didn't even say it.
Would you please just get into the mindset for a second? We're going to focus on the beginning today. Practice the beginning on your own. You've got about 30 seconds. Ready, go. Yes. Ready, beginning. In 4, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. The first ba-ba-ba-bum is slower. It's half as fast as the second one, right? Let's try that again and just be really accurate. The most interesting thing happening in measures 2 and 3 and 4 is so don't be afraid to be strong on that, okay? Dynamics on a drum set are different than dynamics on concert percussion. Does that make sense? You're a drum set man. You grow your hair out and you get all the chicks that way. Right? Forget I said that. Here we go. Begin. Ready? 1, 2. Come on, here we go. Ready, Matthew? 1, 2, and clean. 2, 3, 4, 1. What I do, please, or else we're not going to get anything done, alright? We were not clean on the ba-ba-ba-ba. The hardest part about music sometimes, guys, is counting long notes, but you have to. Are you thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, or are you thinking 1, 2? Which is better? They're the same! Let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, Can you play the hi-hat louder? Seriously, try it. I'm just talking about like measure 2. Ba! Ba! Can you hit it harder? Yes! Okay. That is not too loud. Okay, I promise. I do think that hi-hat might be adjusted too high, kind of like the snare drum. I looked around today. There's a snare drum for the drum set, in the closet in rehearsal 2. So if we get bored and you're like, man, I'm tired of this, then you could actually just go grab that snare drum and bring it in here real quick. Do you want to do that? Do you know where that is?
It's woodwind sectionals.
Thanks. That's awesome. Okay, cool. Okay, good, guys. Now let's go at measure 12. Here we go. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. Here we go. 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, you are starting to rush because you're enjoying the groove, which is great. The easy part here is bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. That's easy. The hard part here, believe it or not, so it says ba, 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 right? Because if we get too fast, it's really hard to tone. Da, 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 fast enough. Does that make sense? Don't let it rush, okay? One more time, 12. Here we go. 1. Bass lines. Can you be louder? Bum, 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 bum. That thing. Ready? 12, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. So what I do, please, or else I'm not getting anything done. What's your trumpets only at 12? And the trumpets, are those two notes
Wait,
at
is that
13
rosin?
different or the same as each other? Drum. They're the same.
My rosin looks
Two
so
quarter
different.
notes, both the same note, both staccatos, right? Make them sound the same. Here we go. Trumpets, measure 12, please. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Can we do that again? 1. Lift up the D. Use trigger on the low D. One more time. And 1, 2, ready, and. Good. Yeah, just make sure it's really precise like that. Let's hear anybody who's playing the bass line. That part's weird. I can't always tell. I believe that's Barry Saxon, Thomas and Gino. Do you play that 1, 4, 1? Is that you guys? Is that you as well? Do you have that?
Gino is 10-1.
My
And measure
rosin's
12.
like this.
Not that, not that. Is that you, Bump? Bump. Is that you, Matthew? Great. And that's you, Jennifer. Let's hear it. Ready?
No, my
1,
rosin
2, just bass.
The
12.
rosin.
Ready? And.
formed like the wood.
Yeah, that's it. That could be loud. Okay, because it's the foundation of the whole thing. Yeah.
And I don't need this.
I have circle
Seriously? Okay. There were no more in that closet? Maybe you
Too
just
much
throw
rosin.
it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just
I have a
kidding. Use
pair of
whichever
rosin.
one you want, we'll put it back.
True.
Here we go, 12, everybody's in, ready? 1, and Zach's taking his time, that's okay. 1, 2, measure, 12, 2, ready, and.
Too early. You're too early.
Oops.
Ready? 1,
Everyone makes
2,
mistakes.
and 1, 2, 12, and. Let's clean it up, guys. Let's clean it up. Stop what I do, please.
I'm a steal you.
Zach, just be careful not to rush us. I think we need to back this tempo down a little bit, just to get the hard stuff in here. Can we please hear anybody who plays ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-da-da-da before 20? Ready? And I think that's flute 1 and flute 2 and clarinet 1 and trumpet 1 and altos. Did I miss anybody? Ready? 20 with the pickups. They're gonna play on the other 3. You guys play on 1. Ready? 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3.
What's
Who's
up,
got it
Gabe?
right away? Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Let's put it in context, go back to 12. Here we go. 1, 2, not too fast. 12. like, you guys ready for a horse analogy?
No.
Hey, when you're riding a horse, this is a bad time to be distracted, ladies. Here we go. And one. So we're doing the pickups. We measure 28. Okay? Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Come on, we go already. You can do this. If I were you, I would wait for one and just start right on the line, right? Even though they're doing it. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Right, good. Now, when we get to measure number 30, you guys have little measure numbers?
No.
Grab your pencil. Number between 20 and 35. That's 15 numbers. 2 of them are already done for you. This should take about 4 seconds. Do you need a pencil?
What are we measuring?
Do you have this written in?
30?
Everybody needs to have 20 through 35 measures.
I already did it.
I saw you sitting there and not writing.
I already did it.
Oh, I'm going.
I need a
back.
pencil now.
I already did it.
Surprise. Can we please start at measure number 30? And I want you to know
How do I really have
that
to
these
write?
notes are exactly together and they should be accented and kind of loud. Bump, bump, bump. And then it's a forte piano. Let's go. Here we go. Measure 30. Ready? 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 0, go. Horns, tenors, and basses, you got the cool part of 31. Yeah. Hey, can you listen to Zach one time? If you play horns, tenors, and basses, this is super important for you. Zach, right at measure 31, you've got the jump, right? This is Zach. We're ready, and 1, 2, ready, and. Good. Good. Now what Zach is doing is his bass drum is going at the same time as your notes. Boom, 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 boom. Good. And Zach, if you can, get the chuck, right? Those accents do the same thing. Right? Good. Are you going to single stick that? You can. There's not a right answer. You could or you could right? I guess there's cross sticking in there too, isn't there, on a snare? Yeah. So you should sing. Okay, cool. Let's go at 31. Here we go. 31. And bomb, 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 dot, dot. 1, 2, ready, Okay, 12 to 35. Let's not let it speed up. Okay, 12 to 35. Here goes. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. You've got 30 seconds. Please practice from 35 to 43 and make sure all of your measures are numbers. Okay, ready, go. basses and tenors. Do you know who you are now, basses and tenors? The basses have a dotted half note, the tenors have ba-da-ba-boo-da-ba-doo-beep-ba. Let's do that. So here we go, 35 basses and tenors.
You forgot about alto sax.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the basses here have, do we know who we are? Dotted half notes? Good. Okay, cool. So that's the dotted half note people. And then who's a tenor that plays ba-da-beep, ba-da-ba-do, ba, second and third trumpets? That's you, right? And then I also see that's in the horn part and the alto part. Yeah?
Told
Okay,
you.
let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, and 1, 2, 35. Let's do it again. Tighten it up. Ba-da-ba-boo-da-ba-doo-da-da. They were very specific with where the long notes are and the short notes, right? Y'all know what this symbol is on a note? Like just a line above.
Oh, legato.
The
Tenuto.
slang word for it is legato, but the correct word for it is tenuto. And it's the opposite of staccato, right? Yeah?
It's to hold it or it's
Correct. Okay, ready? Same people, 35. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready. What's the first thing you guys do at 35? You rest.
rest.
Let's just hear the ba-da, beep, ba-da, ba-da, da, da part with 35. Let's go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the first thing you guys do at 35? Rest. Try it again. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, guys, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So 2, 3, 4, down. Just do that first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Great. Now let's play. Okay, just those people with second and third trumpets and the horns and altos. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, let's keep going. Some goes between those vowels, right? Yeah. Your right thumb. Yeah. It goes between the first and second consonant. Yeah. True story. It'll help you. I promise. Here we go. Ready? Same people. 35 will go on. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, let's add the bases to that 35. Same people just played plus the folks who have a dotted half note at 35. Make sense? And 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Matthew, are you distracted? You're tired? Yeah. Do you need a snack?
Yes.
Me too. I'm getting Tokyo Joe's for dinner, not trying to brag or anything.
Ew.
But,
Ew.
let's add
Very much
Here we
ew.
go. Ready? 1, 35, and 1, 2, 3, and. Some of you have some very challenging parts here. And I picked this piece partly because I knew that you guys could do it, okay? Hey, can
And
we
'cause he
do
hates you.
this? Exactly. Don't let them
Yeah, don't let me speed up.
Okay. Yeah, let's do this though. Let's hear please at 43. Just the people who have what you consider to be a difficult part. Is that you? Or should I decide for you? Daniel. Okay, Daniel's like, she's like nothing. Okay. Can I please hear the flutes and oboes and the clarinets and altos? How about that? Here we go. Ready? 43. Not too fast. Ready? And 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do it again. Now, I know by the time we get into that, the second clarinets change, and you're not playing the same thing as the flutes anymore. And that's okay, all right? What's up,
Look
Austin?
at this.
Why don't you come in right at 45? P-da, sound good? Okay, cool. And the second and third trumpets, you have something similar to bump, 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 or dee-da-da, 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 dee-da-da. So let's have trumpets play when we get to 45, okay? Same people, 43, let's just clean it up a little bit. Don't let it speed up. Trumpets are coming in after 2 minutes. Ready? And 1, 2, ready, go. Is what most of you have. Ready? And 1, 2, ready? One more time. Can you mention together even better? Ready? And 1, 2, ready, and. Right? Don't go too fast. Let's hear everybody all the way back to 43.
I like the Milan.
Here we go. Hold on to that tempo. 43. And 1, 2, ready. Measure number 1. Here we go. Measure 1.
No.
2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Sped up a lot. Really good start though. Start at 30. Don't let it speed up.
Yummy.
Bum, 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 bum. Measure 3, 0, and 1, 2,
Yippee!
I like this song.
This is actually one of the great songs he chose.
I'm sad. I'm lonely, and I'm sad and I'm lonely.
Well, we already knew that, child. I have a boyfriend. We aren't actually boyfriends. We're just friends.
Good. Good.
That is my gay.
So, that was hard work on Beethoven, guys, but that's what it takes, is doing a little bit at a time and cleaning it up. Don't just practice doing it slap. Pick a section. Perfectly perfect and polished. I'm looking for other P words, but I'm not thinking of them.
Perfected, professional, and ethical.
Okay. Kentucky guys.
Telepathy.
That.
Yeah, that is an F there on that first note, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. here we
Hi,
go.
buddy.
Matt, you all right, man?
Yeah.
You're playing sometimes.
I know.
Okay.
It's just
All right.
Matt.
Can you give him a pat on the head? Just really sure.
No. I don't
Okay,
like
here we
it,
go.
no.
Ready?
No.
Sometimes my Labrador just needs it. It's okay.
It's okay, Aki.
Here we go.
Aki.
Okay.
Gino. He's gonna beat you up after that. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Thank you,
One,
Gino.
Matthew. One, two. Woo! Got some notes in there, I tell you what. Hey, so let's play the last song we just played. Ooh, Zach, something I noticed. I wanted the crash cymbals to be